Today, let me take you to one of the most beautiful beaches in India. The less explored, but beauty at its best. New day, new place. If it's on Google, it should be on my channel. It is on Google, but hardly people, Google this place. Okay, so this is my 1 year and 7 month of my non-stop journey exploring India, and I found this place. I had come close to this place, but I did not know this place ever existed. The place that you're seeing is called Delta Point, or also called Kodi Bengre. Okay, this is where on the left of the screen that you see is the river combination Sangama of Sita River and Sauparnika, Suvarna River that comes and joins the Arabian Sea. Okay, this look at the shot. This is very important that you keep in mind. Look at it on either side. You have the kind of the sand. It's a beach on the other side. You call on this side, on the river side, we call it, what do you call it? Tank bed, something like that. This side on the right that you see is basically the beach. Do you see that? Keep an eye on this. A little while later, when the high tide comes in, when we decide to walk from the river side of it, from where the drone took off, to this side, you will not be able to go. It is covered. Come in the month of June, July, August, all this will be totally covered with water because that is the monsoon season as such. It is blessed. And people say that it's so far in years, in 2024 years that of existence, the small strip of land, the ocean has never crossed it. Okay, they say that only if tsunami comes in, the water would cross it. That's how it is, what they say. On the left, topmost left, do you see that? That's the Sita River which is coming. On that, Suvarna River, on the extreme right, is where the Suvarna River is coming in, joins, and then comes into this place. What I didn't know at this point of time when I came here, and then I realized that I need to do this. Okay, where the drone is right now, that means there is another beach on this side of it. That means it is from the Kundapur. From Kundapur, it should be about 4 kilometers, was what I understand about. This end point that you see is close to Malpe. Okay, Delta Point. Before, you have to actually come from Hude Beach. Okay, that's where the bus stand is. From there to here, it's a beautiful beach. But here at the end, it is a little wider. But as you go close to Hude Beach, it gets narrower and narrow. You can actually, it is not even 20-meter distance from the sea to the river as such. It's a beautiful sight just to sit on the rocks and enjoy it. Evening sunset, if you have a loving partner, that will be the best place for you to just sit because it's not crowded. Everybody goes to go. Everybody goes to go. Don't come here. Don't come here. This beauty will be spoiled. Look at this. This is where they build the ships, I believe. I'll take it there also. Just hold on. This is what I was talking about. This side of the land belongs to Kundapura side, Ganguli side, and all that stuff. There is again water coming and joining into the ocean here. That's a different river. I think Sauparnika River, I think it is here. Then there is Kolluru River, which also comes. And when we go further up, Marvante Beach is there. Marvante is famous, but look at this piece of land. I think all this we need to walk. There might not be any road there, but we'll explore it. We'll come to this part also. Didn't I tell you I'll take you to one of the most pristine beaches, beautiful beaches. This beach you should come. You should come. Different season, different reason. But when it doesn't rain, it is beautiful early morning to see the sunrise. I came here to catch the sunrise. There is a fisherman there next to me. Okay, normally people will want single shots like this, but I prefer people with me. Why don't I make them heroes as such? This is a beauty just to take as many shots as you can, man. You will not believe. I did see a group of people, behind me just taking photos for the last half an hour, different angles because they know that one shot will come nice. Correct? See that man? He wants to be in the frame. But he says that he doesn't have a smartphone for him to see himself on the phone. That is so sad. If I was rich, I would have gifted him the phone. I'm not that rich. Got it? Okay. So I told you, I'm going to try different shots. You will also. When you come here, you will definitely want to try different shots as such. Okay, is that beautiful? So what was his sign? So it is, if you actually start from here, that is, what is this, Delta Point, then comes Hude Beach, then comes Malpe Beach. You can't cross that because there is a river there. Then if you cross it, then you have, what is that place? Padukere Beach is there. Padukere, then Kapu. This is the sunrise that I wanted to catch. I let the drone fly towards the sun, but I know its limitation is only maximum 10 to 12 minutes one side. After that, you have to bring it back. Otherwise, she is gone, disappear. The sun was actually playing hide and seek with me. Okay, this is. I told you I'll take you to the shipping, the construction site. This is where they build, I believe. Take a look at this. Okay, so the sun played hide and seek with me all day. I wanted that sunrise to happen behind these trees. It would have been a great shot. I'd seen someone else shot here only because I come the previous day to explore this place, and then I was too tired to take these shots and all that. I know I would have done lazily the shot. So I came the next morning. That is today, this morning. Okay, and it is just beautiful, yeah. You think this is the end of it? It is not the end of it. You all seen only the drone shots. We need to walk, right? I need to show you from the floor now how that will look. Look at this. How clear this sand is. We are on the side of the river. We're on the side of the river. At the time of recording, this is our earlier footages. Not earlier. After the drone shot only I took it. But the sun still has come up, but it's behind the clouds. We can't see. We can't see. Hide and seek game plays. The sun. Why he has to play with me? Play with someone else. He might have probably, hid behind the clouds because if he comes out, it gets warmer. Already I'm sweating. It's sticky, sticky, sticky. I'm quite worried about the drone because the propellers, the coils and all are exposed to the weather. I don't want it to get rusted, and the drone can't fly. That is my also worry. I told you, look at this. The camera doesn't capture. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. What did I tell you? I told you to keep an eye on this now because I did notice, and now we're trying to go to the other side of the beach, where the sea comes in. But you can see it. Okay, but it suddenly came off from there. From there you can't go. I couldn't go. It has to become low tide for me to go. I can get on the rocks and go, but the rocks are very slippery, full of algae. But the color combination was beautiful, green. You can't see this. I will show you in a different shot. Hold on, for a couple of minutes. I told you, didn't I see? It is covered now. Few shots that I took. By then, the water came. I didn't tell you, look at this. The algae. It's beautiful just to look at it. And this baby steps you take. Take the baby steps. You will not believe I spent 6 hours just here. Okay, for my private collection, you won't believe I put the camera on the stand and danced around. Look at the sunrise, man. The reflection. So I put the camera on the stand and I put the headphones on in my ears, listen to my favorite music, and we're just dancing around. It's like the stupid people on the Instagram dancing in the train. I was doing it here, but because I did that because nobody was there. I just spent the time by myself. It was just to max beautiful. Let me try different shots. You should try. Look at this. Go to Goa. You will have people all around you. You want that or you want this? Nobody follows me. I decided to follow myself. Life is such. Don't worry. Don't let only people follow you. Life is such beautiful. Follow yourself. Life is beautiful. That you lead. You lead. See. How many different kinds of shots I'm taking. The more we explore, the more we're going to learn. Understand that part. Look at this side, yeah. Look at this, yeah. Imagine when the sun was just coming out of behind the trees, it would have been even more mesmerizing. I'm thinking the next day, should I go off early in the morning and wait for it? Let's see. But I still have to go to the other side. I'm going to take you around the world. I promise you. How is the world from my point of view? I will make it beautiful. Follow me. Okay, this is what I was talking about. It's beautiful houses, okay? Less of homestays, but beautiful houses. There are a lot of temples here. When I came early in the morning, I wanted to catch the sunrise, but this temple was lit in golden color. I did not have the time to capture the video there. I went off. Now the sun is up and the lights are down, and the capturing of the mode is gone. See, I told you the river on this side, on the right of the houses. Just beyond it is just beyond only. I'll show you that shot also. Don't worry. Don't go anywhere. I will tell you. I know the nice spots. How to find it, I know. I've already identified on the drone. So I know when it tapers, when it becomes narrow, if I go there, that will be beautiful. Look at this temple. Keep that in mind. I will show you. I will show you how the coconut trees all leaning towards the Arabian Sea. That I don't understand. Look at it. So near is the temple towards the beach. High tide. I think I should come once in the rainy season. Camp here. I should see how much water will come. What a marvelous piece of creation. All by God. You can't see, no? I'll turn to the right, okay? I'll turn the camera to the right, then you see. Hey, turn, man. Hey, cameraman, turn. It is still going up in the air. Turning. Yeah. Or lifting. Okay, cameraman. I understand. See this. This is what I told you. The river and the sea. Oh, God. So beautiful the sun rays are. So beautiful. We can't even get the sun in the frame. It's that bright. It's a 4K quality, but still it doesn't capture. Comment and tell me why it is not capturing the sun. I told you, right? Different rivers coming in and joining here. See how it looks. This is not the shot. Wait for it. I know I will take a better shot. I have already got an idea. From which side, if I take it, how will it look? I know it. So I think tomorrow, see, we are close to Malpe. I think we should explore that and then go to the other side of the land. I told you, didn't I? See this view, man. That's the temple. There is the water tank on the left, blue color. It looks so small. Beauty, man. Isn't this beautiful? So calm the river is. Look at the sea. It's so rough. It does its own part. So I will take you to either Malpe side or I will take you to the other side of the beach. You want to see the beauty of the temple? I will show you. I'll show you. Okay. So till next video, stay safe, stay healthy, stay alive. Otherwise, how will you come and see it? If you like the video, tell your friends about it. If you can't tell, share the video at least. Tell them to see the video. Tell them to come, but don't dirty the place. I request you. This is Nanna Karnataka. This is my Karnataka. Okay. I'm bringing the drone down. If it is in the air, how can it keep flying? It doesn't have auto recharge. So I will bring it down, then I will take you to next place. People have drifted here. Do you see that mark? Car mark. Chalo, stay safe. Bye.